At Stealthy Wood, we want to avoid having underselling products, but we don't want to stop offering them. We will implement the dropshipping strategy. Dropshipping will allow our suppliers to ship it directly to thee. As a result, we will never see or handle the item, which helps, since we don't have anything in stock that can lose value. New products will also be less expensive for us as they won't. Then we can offer a wider variety of products than what would be. Finally, all the hassle of paying products to prepare them for, decreasing the amount of work our staff needs to perform. So let's see how this works in Stealthy Wood's database. The first thing we're going to do is go to the purchase. So that's going to be at the bottom of our settings page. Dropshipping right here underneath the logistics section. I already have it activated, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and apply this route to one of our products. So I'm going to go to products again, and now we're going to go to the pedal bin. And there are a couple of really important things that we need to. So first of all, we need to go to the inventory tab and be sure it's not going to be selected by default. Even though you have the option activated, you do need to go to the